Welcome to Penn Waste, South Central Pennsylvania's premier choice for residential and commercial waste and recycling services. A locally owned and operated company, Penn Waste is committed to improving the communities we serve throughout South Central Pennsylvania. Our single-stream recycling facility receives several hundred tons of recyclables per day, which resulted in more than 78,000 tons of recyclables being processed at our state-of-the-art facility in 2010. Our Penn Waste single-stream MRF, material recovery facility, employs 60 people who work diligently to process all recyclables that are dropped off at Penn Waste. Recyclables are first collected curbside and then processed at the Penn Waste MRF, located in Manchester, PA. Thanks to the innovative single-stream process, our customers do not have to separate the materials they are putting in the recycle container. We do that for you. This encourages more participation by our customers by cutting out the material separation process on their part. Since switching to the single-stream collection in 2008, Penn Waste has seen approximately a 30% increase in recyclable materials collected at the curb. Penn Waste accepts the following items curbside: cardboard of any size and quantity, paper products, aluminum, steel, glass, and plastic containers. For specific information regarding what materials you can recycle, please reference our website at www.pennwaste.com for our current guidelines. After all recyclables have been collected by our very noticeable lime green trucks, they are brought to our materials recovery facility and unloaded onto our tipping floor. Safety is the #1 priority at Penn Waste. All employees are required to wear personal protective equipment, and spotters are always present to assist our drivers with backing, since there is large equipment moving at all times. After the collected materials are emptied out of the recycle truck, a loader operator pushes the materials into a pile and begins loading the metering bin. The metering bin feeds the in-feed conveyor at a continuous rate. The material shown here is nice and dry, but don't be fooled. Weather is a major factor in how we process our materials. Rain can soak the newspaper and cardboard in the customer's bins, which can make it very difficult to process through this machine. This is why we ask our customers to store their recyclables in a dry place until it is time for them to put it out on their scheduled collection day. From the in-feed conveyor, the material then proceeds to our first sorting station. Sorters are pulling out large items that are not recyclable materials, such as plastic bags and electrical cords or anything else that can cause damage by getting wrapped around the moving parts of the machine. The first set of discs in the machine will separate the cardboard. The next recyclable items to be separated in our process are paper products, which include newspaper, office paper, junk mail, catalogs and magazines, and numerous other paper products. At the paper station, sorters are pulling out any contaminants that are not paper. The remaining commingled bottles and cans are further sorted by a combination of manual and mechanical separation. After these materials are sorted, for ease of transport, the materials are fed into a baler where the material is compressed and bound in the bales weighing around 2,000 pounds each. After the bales are approved by the QC inspector, they are placed in a trailer and shipped to manufacturers both nationally and internationally. They'll reuse these materials to make new products such as carpet fiber and jacket lining out of the recycled soda bottles, or paper products such as newspaper, tissue paper, or paperboard packaging. Here at Penn Waste, we understand that preserving our world begins at the local level. A leader in innovative waste management and recycling services, Penn Waste focuses on sustainable and environmentally friendly practices by creating a green community together.